In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a Mailchimp campaign quickly and keep your account organized. Once you log into your Mailchimp account, head to the campaign section from the top navigation bar. Here, you'll see a list of all your campaigns. Browse through and select the campaign you want to remove. Just make sure it's the right one since deletion is permanent. Now open the campaign you want to delete. Go to the campaign settings or actions menu where you'll find the delete option. Click it and Mailchimp will ask for confirmation. Once you confirm, the campaign will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a campaign from Mailchimp. Regular cleanups like this help keep your dashboard neat and make it easier to focus on your current marketing efforts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and guides.